Step 1 for new users. Enter your name and press Next. This is the home page of the app. Click on No if you have gave money, or click on Debt if you have took money. Now click plus icon to add new entry. Enter all information you have like date, name, money, reason, and return date. Adding a return date will also set a auto reminder. Add partial payments if you receive payment in installments. Upload a screenshot of the transaction. Finally, click on Save to save everything. Use Share button to share data over WhatsApp. Click Contacts to see all auto-saved contacts. So next time, you can just select from list. Click on Set Reminder to set custom reminder. Just relax and reminder will remind you. Use change to debt if you think by mistake you entered in wrong page. That transaction. Click on Save Transaction to see all saved transactions. Now in your friend's app, you can store a transaction that you shared over WhatsApp. Just click on link where it says to save transaction. Open with my daily balance and remember my choice. Change PIN to secure your app with PIN number. take part in contest, and get your name in app topmost page, like it's there at top of this page. Thanks for watching it. Please subscribe to our channel.